project, seeing what's going on. Just passing through see guys were doing. Yes, guys, just passing through the project, to see what they're doing. I'm still on the home quarantine because I'm staying home. But I know these guys, I just gotta come and see what they were doing. Yeah, the project's still ongoing. There's a lot of plumbing going on. Okay. Yeah, okay. So this plumbing is finished. It's gonna be like 4 restroom here. Nugget. These guys take out the whole entire thing, but it's like that. Where we're standing is right here. Yeah, that's where we're standing right now. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 bathrooms. That's one right here. Let me turn this thing around. One right here where I'm standing, and one right over there, and one right over here. As you can see, one over there. That's gonna be a leasing office. Yes, guys. Hey, gotta pass through the project. I'm in keeping my social distancing. Only 2 guys over there working, and for that, me. As you can see, I have my gloves that I'm gonna put on right now to open that door. Sorry guys, yeah. To open that door, and then that's, you can see, so this is it. We have this 1, 2, 3, 4 restrooms and a janitorial closet. We also have a over here, yeah. So all these, all right guys, I'll keep you posted on the progress of this project, but for right now, this is like, this doesn't have to do with the public, only 2 guys here working, and it's social distancing. Anyway guys, let's see. I'm open this door, get out. It's your boy Nigel. I don't know. This is the Magic City project. Even though I practice in social distancing, I have to come see what the guys are doing. Bills gotta pay, business gotta run, just the same. Okay. My wall gonna be right here. This is my wall. Going all the way up there. Yeah, this wall. Okay. Drop ceiling inside here. So as soon as this is finished, then I can come and do my thing. Relay out the place again. Okay. It's a nice view. It's the Magic City, one of the Magic City project. I know you all heard about those projects going on. These are, so it's a boy Nigel practicing social distancing, and I'm limiting my time on the road, so less contact with people and being courteous also. So with that saying, I'm heading home. Like we're gonna get some rain today, so I'm not sure. So let me hold on guys. I have to fix this. Okay. Yeah. Take off the gloves. So all right. Some hope. Yeah. All right, guys. I just passed by the project to see what's up. Even though I had on my gloves, yeah, I'm safe, Sophie. I'm safe. Yeah. Lady Storm, what's up? Hope you guys are being safe wherever you guys are. And take the necessary precaution. All right, guys. All right, I'm heading home. Go do some paperwork, and then heading to go do some paperwork. And yeah, heading straight back to my office. This is where I'm at with little 80, where we have that project, that Magic City project going on. Yeah, so right now I'm going back to my office. All right. Hey, good morning, Kerry. What's up, Karen? Miss Newdrick. Ain't seen you in a minute. Yeah. I'm trying to stay safe. I'm at 62nd and Northeast 2nd Avenue. Just drive through, come look at one of the projects them to see what these guys are doing. And so far, so good. Yeah. So by next week, I'll be able to do some framing and so forth. Yeah. I'm heading home now. Yeah, I'm heading home now because come out on the road and you can feel the tension in the ear that something's really going on. It's not quite, you can't put a finger on it, but yeah, so grab what I can grab and go back in my ratoon. Just what I say. Alright guys, so I'm going on back in my hibernation, play some music. As you all know, that's my second hobby, Alright guys, everyone be safe out there, and you all have a blessed day, okay? Thanks, Kerry.